Trump birthright citizenship executive order blocked by third federal judge. The ruling on Trump's executive order follows similar ones out of Washington and Maryland. A third federal judge has temporarily blocked President Donald Trump's executive order ending birthright citizenship for children of illegal immigrants. The ruling from U.S. District Judge Joseph N. Laplante in New Hampshire follows similar rulings from judges in Washington and Maryland. Trump's executive order is seeking to clarify the 14th Amendment, which states all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. Trump's order essentially withholds citizenship for the American-born children of illegal immigrants. Critics contend that Trump exceeded his authority with this order. The lawsuit filed by the American Civil Liberties Union on the day of Trump's inauguration said, "Birthright citizenship embodies America's most fundamental promise that all children born on our soil begin life as full and equal members of our national community, regardless of their parents' origins, status, or circumstances, and that to his principle has enabled generations of children to pursue their dreams and build a stronger America." The complaint asked the U.S. District Court for the District of New Hampshire to declare that the executive order is unconstitutional and unlawful in its entirety. After careful consideration of the parties' submissions, the supporting declarations, the applicable law, and the filings and record in this case, the court granted plaintiff's motion for preliminary injunction. Laplante, an appointee of former President George W. Bush, wrote in his ruling, "The court hereby finds that plaintiffs have demonstrated a likelihood of success on the merits of their claims, that plaintiffs are likely to suffer irreparable harm if the order is not granted, that the potential harm to the plaintiffee is to order is not grazed the potential harm to defendants if the order is granted, and that the issuance of this order is in the public interest," he added. In Maryland, U.S. District Judge Deborah Boardman, an appointee of former President Joe Biden, wrote in her ruling last week, "Citizenship is a most precious right, expressly granted by the 14th Amendment to the Constitution." In Washington, U.S. District Judge John C. Coffenor, an appointee of former President Ronald Reagan, said, "The president cannot change, limit, or qualify this constitutional right via an executive order. It has become ever more apparent that to our president, the rule of law is but an impediment to his policy goals. The rule of law is, according to him, something to navigate around or simply ignore, whether that be for political or personal gain," Coffenor added while announcing his ruling from a Seattle courtroom.